Hey guys, thanks so much for joining me for this tutorial. This is such a fun design. To make these earrings, you only need to know one knot, the double half hitch knot. If you need a little extra help with this knot, please see the description for a link. Split your rope into two sections of 10 pieces, one section per earring. Fold your rope in half and attach to the teardrop using a lark's head knot. Using the same process, attach the remaining 9 pieces of rope so you have 10 pieces total. We will tie one row of double half hitch knots before adding the beads. Using the left strand as your filler cord, tie 9 double half hitch knots down and to the right. This will bring you to the middle of your work. Here is what 2 double half hitch knots will look like. Repeat this process on the right side of your work. Using your 2 filler cords, tie one more double half hitch knot to connect the 2 sides. Each bead will be added to 3 strands of rope. Working on the left side, lead the leftmost strand and attach the bead to the 3 next strands of rope. Using the leftmost strand as your filler cord, tie 3 double half hitch knots underneath the bead to secure it to your work. Use the same process to attach 2 more beads to 3 strands of rope and then tie 3 double half hitch knots underneath. Repeat this same process on the other side of your work. To finish off this row, we will tie one more double half hitch knot using the filler cords to connect both sides. Using the left strand as your filler cord, tie 9 double half hitch knots down and to the right. This will bring you to the middle of your work. Repeat the same process on the other side of your work and then connect the two sides with a double half hitch knot. Tie 2 rows of double half hitch knots starting on the outside of your work and moving in, but skip the first 3 strands of rope. The 4th strand from the left and the 4th strand from the right will both be used as your filler cords. We will now complete the second row with that exact same process. Skip another 3 strands of rope on each side and tie 2 more rows of double half hitch knots. We've completed 1 row, we've got 1 more left. The knots are completed, now we just need to cut the ends. Cut the outermost strands on the right and left to your desired length. I've cut mine 2 inches in length. Cut the rest of the strands to create whatever shape you'd like. I've cut mine into a V shape. I'd recommend adding a little bit of glue to the ends just to make sure they do not fray. Repeat this process to create your second earring. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials.